Hey guys, I'm Randy, this is Sho-Me Tint, and we're gonna talk a little bit about paint protection film. We wanna tell you a little bit about it because you either got it or you want it. And if you don't got it, you definitely want it. Let me tell you, it's part of it. What it helps you do is protect your biggest investment, which is your vehicle. And what it does is it kind of helps you from getting rock chips. It helps you from getting scratches. It helps you from stains on your car. If you have something nice, you wanna keep it safe out there on the highway, paint protection film, whether you live here close to us or if you want to get it done somewhere else, urgent you get it on your vehicle if you want to take care of it. The only thing about it, only problem is the cost. The cost is super, inconvenient, you'd say. You know what I mean? Not everybody likes spending a bunch of money, but it's not a bunch, it's priced per square foot. So it's really about how much of your car you want to protect. Well, that's how we price it anyway. And most general shops in the industry, if they're not pricing it per square foot, you might want to keep shopping. So just keep that in mind. And the maintenance there, it takes a little bit of extra care, you know what I mean? With us, we like to bring it back in 2 or 3 weeks and we check over it for you, but really keeping it away from a touch wash. It's kind of, you don't want those brushes beating up the film. You don't want it ripping up the sides. Once you kind of learn a little bit about that, it's super easy to maintain. It makes keeping your vehicle clean easier. And a lot of my buddies, they do get pretty rough with it. I've heard they scrub it. I'm like, do not do that, please stop. But the important thing is you want to make sure if you first got paint protection film, first off, keep in mind it's going to have some water in it from the installation. So if you're looking at it and you're seeing some water bubbles, don't freak out, don't poke them, don't pop them, leave them alone, because what's happening is the moisture is under there because it's what you use to put it on, and as it's contracting onto the paint, it's going to work its way through the film. The film's porous, so it's tightening up. And we call it a pressure sensitive adhesive, so it's using the adhesive to bond to there. So just make sure you don't mess with that too much. It's very normal. And besides that, you should have, if you came to buy us, you should have some spray wax. It looks like this. And it's Bead Maker. You can get it on Amazon. We probably gave you a bottle. And we'll put a link down there below so you can get a hold of it. And there's a little cleaner we give you. We gave so much away, we almost used all this. So we got some more coming from Amazon. We clicked the link, no rinse, wash. You'll find the links down there for both of that stuff if you want to use it. What we like to do is tell you to keep that on there, keep your vehicle clean, but you really don't need a lot of old-fashioned waxes anymore. So like if you're into the wax, this may not be for you either. Because once you get your film on there and your car's protected like these two vehicles next to me, you don't need to do that anymore. It's just an easy little spray wax, you're done. You love that. Everybody loves that. For me, it's the time. I like not having to invest a lot of time into my vehicle anymore. So it's ready to clean up in minutes and I'm on the road. That's one of the things that I like the best. Our paint protection film has a 12-year warranty that's nationwide, so you can use that if you move, if you travel. It's really convenient because there's multiple locations of SunTech reaction film that we use. It's a big company and they know their product really well, and it's one of the longest warranties of the product. So 12 years it's 10 to 12 is generally the max, and we run the max 12. It's a SunTech reaction film is what you purchased at Sho-Me Tint if you purchased our paint protection film. But there's a lot of good products out there, so make sure you do your research. If you have any questions about doing some research and you're doing some right now, and you happen to stumble across this video, comment down there. I'll jump in there and I'll help you out. I promise you. We want you to make a good choice. We want you to help you find a good installer, and if you can, come to Sho-Me Tint, obviously. You know what I mean? If you're close, stop on by. When you're wiping down your vehicle with the spray wax, you don't want to try to I tell everybody, don't go against the grain. You know what I mean? So if you see an edge or something, you don't want to go against that. Make sure you're using a microfiber towel. Make sure you wash your microfiber towel. You have a clean microfiber towel. That was one thing that I had a guy do one time. It was crazy. He had the dirtiest microfiber towel I've ever seen. It still gives me nightmares, honestly. It was terrible. It was terrible. I love it. I love putting it on. It should be fire. Honestly, this is a product that I really believe in. I actually spend a lot of my time personally here in the shop installing it. I think it's a fantastic product. I really love the protection that it gives vehicles and the confidence you can have out on the road, not worrying about getting damage. So I think it's a great product, and if you're thinking about it, you're definitely on the right track if you got something nice you want to take care of. So if you have any questions or you need any help convinced that you're making the right choice, jump in there. Message me. We'll be glad to help you. I think you're definitely on the right track. I mean, you just got it. Congratulations. Because get out there and drive your car. You don't have to worry about it anymore. Get out there and rip it a little bit for me. You know what I mean? So that'd be fun. Throw a little video up there or something. I don't know. But we appreciate you guys for checking it out. thank you guys very much for your purchase if that's what you did today. And if you have any questions, please hit me up. And if you have any issues or anything like that, any concerns, definitely get a hold of us. We'd be happy to help you here at the shop. So, all right, thank you. And if you like the video, please check it out and like it. Make sure you subscribe, and we appreciate you. Thank you.